I'm Arianna, and today we're going to be doing a 15-minute full body flow. So let's get started. If you're not in a place where you can do this video with me right now, please save to your watch later and join me whenever you get a chance. Hi, welcome in. Today we're going to be doing a full body flow. So let's go ahead and get started at the top of our mats. So you can bring your feet about hips width distance apart. Spread your toes out, set them down. Roll the shoulders out, forward, backwards. Maybe make chicken wings. Just feel into the body, see how you're feeling, acknowledge the body. Bring your hands back down by your sides, Tadasana mountain pose. Inhale, reach up, extended mountain. And exhale, pour over your hips. So hinge forward. Let your head be heavy, ragdoll, sway side to side. Maybe grab onto both of your elbows, sway side to side. And then release your hands by your sides. Inhale, press your palms into your thighs, lift up halfway, look forward. Shoulders back. Exhale, plant your palms, lean forward, take tiny steps to the back of the mat. Inhale, high plank, exhale, lower halfway. Inhale, press up, untuck your toes, roll the shoulders back, upward facing dog. Press and roll back into a downward facing dog. And you can bend your knees here and you can start to draw your heels down to the mat. So they don't have to press down, but they can if they want to. Sits bones back towards the upper top corner of the room. Press your heart into your legs, your belly into your thighs. Take another breath here. Exhale, roll your heels and your body forward. Take tiny steps to the front of your mat, forward fold. Head is heavy. Inhale, reach up, rise up. And exhale, palms at your heart center. So find that mountain pose, Tadasana, warming up the body. And inhale, extended mountain. Lift your right leg up. Bend your right knee. Find that one-legged mountain. So chest lifts. Draw some circles with your toes. Draw some circles with your knee. Inhale, one-legged mountain. Woo! Exhale, step back into a high lunge. Cactus out your arms, so reach your shoulder blades together. Take a breath. And find a nice high lunge, so knee in line with your heel, kick back through your back heel, lift your heart. And then lower down, low lunge, Anjaneyasana, lean forward. Find that high lunge once more, and then straighten your front knee, hands to your hips. Spin down your back heel. So chest is going to point forwards. And you're going to take an inhale with your spine lifted. And then an exhale, you're going to fold over your hips. So take an inhale. And exhale, fold forward. Pyramid pose, head is heavy. Keep splitting apart the mat with both of your feet. And take a few breaths here. Maybe nod, shake the head. And then bend your front knee, lift your torso, lift your arms. Find a warrior one pose. So squeeze the glutes, relax the shoulders, press in with the feet. Interlace your hands behind your back. Draw your knuckles down. Take an inhale at the top. Maybe heel toe your feet slightly apart. And exhale, bow forward into a humble warrior. Head is heavy at the bottom. Lift back up. Release into a warrior 2. So heel toe your feet, palms shine down onto your ankles, knee in line with your front ankle. Look past your left hand, flip it. Bring it over, reverse your warrior. Look up, look down, look forward. And then find an extended side angle, so reach your right hand up and over. Then take both hands, plant them on the inside of your left foot, heel toe your left foot out. Lizard lunge. Bend your elbows, draw your chest down, and lift it up. Keep pressing away. Then lower your back knee, untuck your toes, draw your heel down and in. Walk your hands forward for extended lizard. Elbows to the ground. And then find a twisted lizard. So you're going to reach your left hand up and over. And then press out your left knee to the side. Stay lifted through that right shoulder. And then start to cinch together your back leg. Reach around and grab onto your ankle if that is accessible for you in your practice. Unwind. Left hand plants, tuck your back toes. Lift your back knee, find a malasana squat. Yogi squat, garland squat. And stand up tall here. Stand up tall here. Press out your knees. Plant your palms, step back into the same side lizard lunge. And then lower down your back knee, straighten out your front leg for a wide-legged split. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward. And head can be heavy at the bottom. Take a breath. Find that lizard lunge once more and then press into a downward facing dog. Look at your toes, take an inhale. And then exhale, look between your hands. Take tiny steps up to the top of your mat. Forward fold, roll up or reach up. Palms together at your heart center. Resetting at the top of our mat. Lift your left leg up. Press in with your right foot, right toe, big toe. Draw some circles with your toes. Go both ways. Perfect. Draw some circles with your thigh, your knee, and go both ways. Oh yeah, perfect. Great. Awesome. Okay, find that Find that one-legged mountain once more. Lift up high, reach up, inhale. Exhale, cactus your arms, step back, high lunge, open your chest. Dig your right heel in towards your hips. Kick through your back heel. Lower down, reach up, Anjaneyasana, crescent lunge. Straighten your front knee, lift up, hands to your hips. Readjust, spin down your back heel. Pyramid. Inhale at the top. And exhale, fold neutral spine until it starts to round. So head can be heavy in pyramid. Draw your right hip back, left hip forward. Give your head a couple of nods, yes, no. And then straighten your front knee, start to look up, rise up, lift your arms, warrior one. Relax the shoulders, squeeze the glutes, hips in line. Bending your front knee, take another inhale. And exhale, take your hands behind your back. Interlace your fingers. Heel toe your right foot out. Take an inhale and think of something you care about. Exhale, bow to that humble warrior. Head is heavy, take a breath. And start to lift up, rise up. Neutral spine. And spin into that warrior two. So right toes point forward, left toes point to the long edge of your mat. Right knee is bent. Palms shine down on your ankles. Flip your right hand. Rainbow it over your head. Look up, look center, look down. Relax your shoulders. Come into extended side angle, forearm to thigh. Lift your left hand up and over. Reach down both hands and plant them underneath your shoulders. Heel toe your right foot out for a lizard lunge. Heel in line with your heels of your hand. And then scoop your chest down, forward, lower down your back knee, untuck your toes. Extend your hands or lower down onto your forearms. Breathe into this space. And then lift up once more. Inhale, reach your right hand up and start to press out your right thigh. So roll the shoulders back, stay lifted through your left hand. And then you're going to cinch together your back leg if that's in your practice. Press your ankle into your hand, take a breath. Slowly unwind. Tuck your back toes, lift your back knee, lizard lunge, lunge forward, malasana squat, yogi squat. Hips sink with gravity. Elbows leverage into the knees. Lift the heart, lift the chest, active here. And then reach your hands forward. So like a passive crow stretch, reach your hands away from your sits bones, lengthen through your back, tuck your chin. Roll forward once more, plant your palms. Step back into that same side lizard lunge, and then lower down your back knee, straighten your front leg. Inhale, lift, lengthen your chest, your torso, and exhale, fold. So neutral spine until you just start to melt into this posture, this pose. And then you'll bend your knee. Press the floor away, find a downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the heels, drop the knees, and find a child's pose. So knees together or wide apart, forehead to the ground. And walk your hands over to the right side of the room. Stack your left palm on top of your right hand if that feels good. Forehead to the floor. Press your left palm in, breathe into that space. Do the same thing on the other side. Hands go left. Plant your right palm on top of your left. Forehead resets, breathe. And then return center. Roll up once more and walk your knees, cross your ankles, and find a seated position. Knees apart, feet together. Walk your sits bones up your mat so you have a nice, safe space behind you. Take your 2-piece fingers to your big toes, lean forward, and roll back. you're a happy baby. So you can start to roll right and left. You can start to extend one leg, bend the other. And whenever you're ready, start to take up space. Spread out, reach out. And close your eyes. Feel your body and all the connection points to the mat underneath. And take your Shavasana. So thank you so much for joining this practice with me today. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you so much for practicing with me. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, don't forget to download our Yoga Plus app. And don't forget to check out the next video of my series. Bye.
Introducing Yoga Plus, offering a free series every month with over 300 different videos. Take control of your health. Work out anytime, anywhere. Yoga Plus. Download now for free.